Thatha lento sanibonani ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free so lalela mntomnyama enough is enough thatha lento asiqale hamba uye Google wakho or whatever browser oyisebenzisayo for internet ufike ubhala ukuthi Franchise Association of South Africa mase upressa usearch the first page ezovela nayi ungenilana understand ukuthi once wapressa usearch izokuthatha ikubeke la direct la sizofunda ukuthi athengwa kanjani ama franchise. Yes, it's the most reliable company eSouth Africa mawukuthi wena umuntu ofuna ukuba ne-franchise. Sikhathele ukusebenzela isitha. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi wazi ukuthi i-franchise itholakalapi. Omunye umuntu uzongibuza ukuthi franchise yini yona leyo. Understand ukuthi a franchise is a type of business where you buy the rights to use someone else's successful brand. Yabo McDonald's, KFC, uWimpu, Nando's, yabo Pick n Pay, uSpar, OK, Shoprite, uDeponez, uRoman's Pizza. All of this is a franchise, and all of this uyathengeka. Uyakwazi ukuthenga igama uvula isitolo wenza imali. It's called buying a franchise. Ngeke ngiyashiselwa umuntu omnyama akafuni ukungilalela. Once wangena e-Franchise Association of South Africa wapressa ubuy a franchise izobe siyakuvezela the kinds of businesses you can open. You can buy. The one thing engifisa for umuntu omnyama to never forget is that AFASA, there are many categories of amabhizinisi ongawathenga. All it takes is for you to have ihembe and then you decide ukuthi what kind of business do you want to invest in ngehembe yakho. Now honchos, now uyatholakala lapha eFASA. Bona ukuthi imalini uthenge uvula ibhizinisi for wena nabantu bakini. Leave a legacy for ingane zakho uzothi wabashiyelana. Now uCTM, now CTM, or at least ke food lovers now food lovers now iwona lo Ihlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi lapha yana bagcini ngokutshengisa nje ama franchise, but they also offer i-franchise service provider la khona bezosiza wena ukuthi uthenge i-franchise. Abagcini futhi lapho they also offer i-self assessment la khona wena uzofika kubona ubatshena ukuthi ihemnce enginayo ingaka, what can I afford, and then they take you step by step ukuthi okay wena unemali engaka, you can afford to KFC, you can afford to Shell, you can afford to Shoprite. It depends ngehemnce onayo ne willingness yakho ukuthi uqale a legacy ukhiphe ipoverty kini. Now umuchachos thenga umuchachos noma uthenga upetrol ke thenga at least upetrol, vula upetrol ngakini phuma enkingeni. Right now umntomnyama ngiyakubona ukuthi you are interested ekubeni imember yase FASA ngoba uinterested ekwazini ngama franchise, kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi ukuze ube imember kunama terms and conditions ekumele wagcine. Now KFC, thenga uKFC uphuma enkingeni. I mean come on man, come on, sebenzisa ingqondo, thenga KFC. Lalela ke because akudlalwa la mntomnyama. Yabona once you have decided ukuthi ikhona imali and one thing ngizoyithenga i-franchise, mele wazi ukuthi ukuze ube imember kuhlukene kawu2. Sine franchise membership laba ababathengi ama future buyers labo kuthiwa kumele bakhiphe imali engango 3,000 per year. Lokho can be divided to an amount of 250 per month ekutheni ukuthi nje ba ama member lapha bathola wonke ama services including ama documents akhona nama certificates akhona. Mase kuba ukuthi labantu abanama business abafuna ukuthi bawa franchisise, abafisa ukuthi one day kube khona umuntu oseKimberley ozothenga igama le business lakhe, i-franchiser bona kuhlukile, bona kuthiwa bakhokhe u2,130. Yes. Now ibona lapha ibona Naba. Uyazi, for a long time iSETA has been hiding this from us, but manje izinto sezimo out there, amaqiniso aphumile. You can buy uShoprite, uWoolworths, uCheckers noPick n Pay. All it takes is one step yokuthi wena ube member yaka FASA, ube nehenqa enough, and then ukhulume nabo ekutheni ukuthi ucreate nawe ilegacy yakini for umndeni wakini ney'ngane zakho. If you use FASA to buy a franchise, understand ukuthi you are risk protected ngoba bona they make sure ukuthi ama-accreditations akhona nokurecognizwa nama-documents konke, they take you step by step khona ungeke urobheke in any way. Understand ukuthi they also offer industry data and networking la khona bazokwazi ukuhlanganisa i-research, ama-events nama-contacts abantu ozobadinga just in case ufuna machinery, just in case ufuna anything related to that specific franchise othi uyayithenga. A few days ago kade benesale ya 30 rand. Imagine how much money they made. Now imagine yonke leyo mali kuthiwa eyakho. Thenga uMcDonald uphume enkingeni. Yazi ngakhuluma kuze kushona ilanga, ngiyacela ngena kwi-browser yakho ezwe ubhala ukuthi Franchise Association of South Africa, uphese usearch the first page ezongena, upress laphayana ngiyacela. Now izokuthatha lento lena ikubeke la. Ngiyacela once usulana pressa phela ubuy a franchise, hamba ubuke the kind of franchises akhona, mhlawumbe khona ozoyithanda ezohambisana nehenqe onayo. Buy i-business eselivele laziwa, enza imali, create a legacy. Don't be a follower, be a leader mntomnyama. Awukahle.